Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling crepe machines. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the diameter of the pan, the cooking pan areas is about like 18 inches. And the entirely the length of the unit is about like 23 inches diameters. And the overall height, they are about like 9.5 inches tall in total. We can see this top can rolling, you can spinning it, and also on the side of the paps, the manufacturer offer you the regulators you can connect with it. And on the front, we can see they have a small window, so you can see fire is burning inside, and this have a switches power on to adjust the fire levels from small to big. And also we can take a look closer to see the inner side of the burner. When we're trying to remove the top of the units, we can see total they have 8 burners inside. And for this burner grills, it's about like 5.5 inches long for each of the burner. And this is inner side dimensions and also the details. And this one is really easy for clean. So that's what be all for the informations. Thank you for watching these videos. That will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.